Hey there, future Canadian. Welcome back to Canada Central, your one-stop solution for immigrating, working, or studying in Canada. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Canadian labor shortage and reviewing job openings in welding fabrication, food counter attendants, and skilled estheticians. We shall touch upon the expected salaries and give some tips for success. So, let's dive right in. Canada in 2023 is facing a labor shortage in various industries, including healthcare, agriculture, and technology. The aging population and low birth rates are contributing factors to this shortage. As a result, Canadian employers are increasingly turning to foreign workers to fill the gaps in their workforce. The federal government has implemented various programs to facilitate the entry of foreign workers into Canada. And efforts are being made to improve the working conditions and protection of foreign workers in Canada. Here are some examples of open jobs waiting for skilled immigrant workers. Canada has a growing demand for skilled welding fabricators, and there are plenty of job opportunities available across the country. Some of the most in-demand positions include structural welding fabricator, custom metal fabricator, pipe welding fabricator, shipbuilding welding fabricator, and aerospace welding fabricator. These positions can be found in various industries, such as construction, manufacturing, oil and gas, and transportation. So, no matter your interests, there's a welding fabricator job for you in Canada. Now, let's talk about money. Salaries for welding fabricators in Canada can vary depending on your experience, location, and the industry you're working in. On average, you can expect to earn between $40,000 to $60,000 per year as a welding fabricator. With experience and additional certifications, you can potentially earn even more. To increase your chances of landing a welding fabricator job in Canada, here are some qualifications you need to have. Welding certification or diploma. Minimum 5 years of fabricating experience. A strong technical aptitude. The ability to work independently and as part of a team. Attention to detail. Reach out to us at contactus@canadacentral.ca to find out more about the specific skills you need to secure a fantastic welding fabricator job in Canada. Another highly available position for immigrant workers in Canada is a food counter attendant. If you're passionate about food and customer service, this job offer is the perfect opportunity for you. So, let's dive in and discover the top job openings for food counter attendants in the Great White North. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest job opportunities in Canada. Food counter attendants play a crucial role in the food service industry. They're responsible for taking orders, preparing food, and ensuring customer satisfaction. In Canada, there's a high demand for food counter attendants, especially in fast food chains, cafes, and restaurants. This job is perfect for those who enjoy working in a fast-paced environment and have excellent communication skills. To become a successful food counter attendant in Canada, you'll need to meet certain requirements and possess specific skills. Some of these include a high school diploma or equivalent, basic knowledge of food safety and hygiene, excellent communication and interpersonal skills, ability to work in a fast-paced environment, flexibility to work in shifts, including weekends and holidays. Previous customer service experience is preferred. Working knowledge of promoting, selling, and packaging food products. The ability to process bills and cash registers. Experience working with point-of-sale systems. Reach out to us at contactus@canadacentral.ca to find out more of the specific skills you need to secure a fantastic food counter attendant job in Canada. Yet another employment opportunity lies in the world of aesthetics, as we uncover the top job openings for estheticians in Canada. If you're passionate about skincare, beauty treatments, and helping others look and feel their best, this is the perfect opportunity for you. So, let's shed light on your path to a beautiful career in Canada. Estheticians are skincare specialists who provide a variety of beauty treatments, such as facials, body treatments, hair removal, and makeup application. In Canada, there's a growing demand for skilled estheticians, especially in spas, salons, and wellness centers. This job is perfect for those who have a keen eye for detail, excellent communication skills, and a passion for helping clients achieve their beauty goals. To become a successful esthetician in Canada, you'll need to meet certain requirements and possess specific skills. Some of these include state licensure to practice as an esthetician, 2 or more years of industry experience, be proficient in performing all applicable treatments, excellent verbal and written communication skills, outstanding people skills and a warm, friendly manner, ability to stand for extended periods and to lift 50 pounds, or 25 kilograms, ability to maintain client confidentiality. Reach out to us at contactus@canadacentral.ca to find out more of the specific skills you need to secure an exciting esthetician's job in Canada. Thank you for watching this Canada Central review. Please give us a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and advice on living, working, and studying in Canada. Canada Central is here for you. Reach out and enroll in one of our job-seeking programs through the links in the description if you are serious about a career in Canada. We'll see you in the next video. Until then, this is Canada Central, your one-stop solution for all things Canadian, saying, take care of your dreams, and happy job hunting.